Hello, it's Val. It's level 4, Charleston. We did the across the room thing by popular demand because everybody wanted to do it again. Just a couple of things, as you know, we just did single kicks, double kicks, different variations on like basic Charleston. A couple that I will show that we called weird, even though I told you all they were technically classics. They're something that I either pulled from like trickeration or something. So we did this. Ba, 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 ha, ba, ba, ha, ba, ba, ha, ha. Fall off the kick, step, kick, ha. That's the one that you'll probably want to revisit. Then we did 2 different versions of squat Charleston. Ba, ha, ha. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. And then we did 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we did this dealio. Hey, hey. It was really fun to move it forward. Then we did different jump Charleston kind of variations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ha, pa, pa. Or if you don't want switch sides, you do run. So either pa-da-pa or step-step. What else did you do? I think those were the main new ones. Otherwise, I don't know, just draw inspiration from things you know, but try them traveling because it just unlocks something. Bye.